Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances you are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have a unboxing and first impression for you, and this is Armaf Club the New Intense Man, and this is the oil edition. This is 20 ml pure oil perfume from Sterling Perfumes, Armaf. Sterling Perfume is the mother company of Armaf. There are so many other subsidiaries, branches, and also other brands under the Sterling Perfume brands, which is based in UAE, United Arab Emirates, in the Middle East, and they are very famous for cloning, copying, or being inspired by big brands, big names, perfumes that have been very popular, and so on and so forth. So this is one of the flankers of many flankers of Club de Nuit Intense Man by Armaf, which is inspired by Creed Aventus. Well, many people know this, it doesn't need introduction, and the only thing is this oil version of it is not very well known, or it's not widely used or widely reviewed. I've just seen one or two people reviewing it, so I thought it's the best time to bring it to your attention. So this is 20 ml pure oil Club de Nuit Intense Man, non-alcoholic concentrated luxury French perfume oil, 20 ml. So the box is a typical Armaf box. Attention to detail is always good. Sorry about the noise. Okay. Attention to details. It's good, and it opens up like this. Okay, just all right. Very cute bottle, good looking bottle, good quality, very heavy glass, 20 ml pure perfume oil. And the cap is massive, mamma mia. Huh. Did I just break it? I think I broke it. Okay, my mistake. Just force of habits. Oh god. Yeah, alright, doesn't matter, I'll fix it later. So it opens up like this, and it's a dab, and you just dab it on your skin. So 20 ml of this perfume, the Club de Nuit Intense Man. This is going to be similar to, say, 100 ml, but 100 ml bottle of Club de Nuit Intense Man, it doesn't matter which one, EDT, Eau de Perfume, or even the limited edition, 100 ml of that. So because when they put alcohol and carriers and things like Oishi Super, Ambroxan, and things like that, so they will have oils like this inside it as well. Okay, so this is the pure perfume version of the 100 ml without the alcohol, without the carriers. Okay, here we go. First impression, first sniff. Beautiful. I love the DNA of Club de Nuit Intense Man, and this is obviously up my alley. 2 or 3 good news. One is smell exactly like Creed, sorry, not Creed, Club de Nuit Intense Man. Okay, which one? All of them, but probably the closest one just by my nose. I will do a video later to tell you about the development and longevity and things like that. But the closest you will get is the limited edition for now, for first impression, first sniff. Okay, so it's very smooth, it's very rounded, obviously because it's old. There's no alcohol, there's no ISO super, there's no ambroxan and nothing as such, so it's very smooth. Okay, but it smells very good, smells very inviting, very citrusy right now, super citrusy. Yeah, very citrusy, and the only thing right now I'm getting is the citruses, lemon, bergamot, plus little bit of pineapple, and also very woody. So at the moment it's very woody. That birch is coming up very strong. Yeah, beautiful. But the vanilla is a little bit there. It's not right now. It's not that sweet. Probably just a tinge of sweetness to it. And that tinge of sweetness coming from the citruses mainly, rather than the vanilla. But beautiful. I can smell floral aspect of it as well, but it's just a hint of it right now. Just that jasmine and the rose is there as well. But yeah, if you are a lover of Club de Nuit by Armaf, this is a must, because a much smoother version, and this is perfect for layering. So you can put 2, 3 or 4 small dabs of it, and then you can spray the other Club de Nuit on top, and this will be a combination of good longevity and a good projection, because this one is an oil. It won't project that big, but it will last much longer. And if you put the normal the Club de Nuit on top, what it does is the combination of longevity of the oil and the smoothness and the better quality in terms of smell, and also that projection of Club de Nuit, which is, some of them are very, very good projectors. It would be a very, very good combination, very good layering combination. And oh, the best is coming even more now. It's getting a tiny bit of smokiness. But overall, for first impression, first sniff, absolutely yes. Under £30 in the United Kingdom. Sometimes you can find it even cheaper with coupons and offers and things like that. I paid around £22 for it, which for this price is very, very good. I absolutely like it. For what you're getting in terms of quality, in terms of the oil itself, is very, very good. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Everything is balanced, nothing out of place. Very smooth, very rounded, very good quality oil. I'm a bit surprised, because I'm used to the little bit of roughness of Club de Nuit, the normal ones, because they have so many carriers like alcohol and ISO super and ambroxan, and those things, it gives it a little bit of roughness and also syntheticness. So in this one, you don't have those ones, and it makes it very, very inviting and warm and very attractive, very very good smell for the price you're paying. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Okay, guys, I'll let you in the next video the longevity, the performance, and the development, if there is any. If you have it, if you tried it, if you know about this, let other people know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you find what I do useful, informative, and valuable, please hit buttons. And if you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world and they are beastly, but you need to be living in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave in the description the links. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.